Today I'm sharing a simple vegetarian fried kway teow, easy to cook and suitable for breakfast, lunch, dinner or supper. This recipe is for 4 servings. Let's get started. Open the packet of kway teow noodles, which is 450 grams, and loosen the noodles. Usually it clumps together like this. Separate them into individual strands. This helps with the stir frying and with combining with the seasoning. Alright, all done. Now we can cook. Switch on the heat and wait a minute for the wok to get hot. Add 50 ml of cooking oil and 45 grams of chopped garlic. Today I'm frying the kway teow with my cast iron wok to get the wok hay flavor. Stir fry until the garlic turns fragrant and golden brown. After about 2 minutes, the garlic is perfect. Remove about 3/4 of it from the wok. Add 80 grams of cubed firm tofu, 50 grams of white chimaji mushroom, and 1 tablespoon of minced pickled radish or choi po. Stir fry for about 1.5 minutes or until mushroom and tofu are cooked. Okay, this is perfect. Add the separated kway teow noodles, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce. Stir the noodles until it is well combined with the seasoning. This takes about 2 minutes. Alright, this should be good. Give it a taste. This is delicious. More seasoning can be added if you prefer. Next, add 200 grams of bean sprout and 45 grams of chive. Stir and mix for about 1 minute or until vegetables are cooked but slightly crunchy. This is great. Our stir-fried kway teow is ready now. Switch off the heat. Top with the fried garlic earlier. Stir to mix. And it is done. A simple vegetarian fried kway teow is ready to be served. Dish it out onto a serving plate. Let's eat. The kway teow is smooth. The vegetables are crunchy, and the fried garlic enhances the taste and the fragrance. It is really tasty and very flavorful. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.